I'm Anthony Santiago.
I'm Katherine O'Fallon. And this is Salty Jobs.
We're your co-hosts for the video series where we explore real marine careers that keep the industry moving.
In today's episode, we're joining the dock experts based in Lighthouse Point, Florida.
Since 2018, they specialize in building custom boat lifts, docks, and seawalls, always with craftsmanship and coastal resilience in mind.
Today, we're joining the crew as they maintain these essential waterfront structures. Are you ready to go, Anthony?
Always. Let's go meet the experts. Today, I'll be working with Andrew, who's a general manager here with the dock experts. So Andrew, can you tell me a little bit about the job we'll be doing out here today?
Today we're doing a full seawall inspection and dock inspection to make sure that his seawall and dock is in good shape.
Got it. And since you're the general manager here, you're pretty experienced with all things docks, seawalls, and waterfront structures. Can you tell me how you got started working in this business?
Kind of an interesting story. I was actually working for another company when the dock experts started, and I helped them build their business through my business that I was working in. I offered my services to him one time, and he picked up the phone and called me, and I accepted it.
And for people who are looking to maybe join this crew and do some of this work out here, what kind of skills and qualities do you look for to hire them?
I look for two key skills. One of them is being a motivated, who's a go-getter, who wants to go get things done. And secondly is having organizational skills.
Well, we got a lot of work ahead of us, so why don't we go ahead and get started?
Let's do it.
Andrew and I were checking the customer's seawall to see if any maintenance or repairs were needed. I used a measuring wheel so Andrew could record the dimensions accurately, making sure we had a clear picture of the wall's size and layout. Next, I tested the ground with a soil probe to assess the stability and confirm the foundation was solid. Then, we used the level to identify spots where the wall was rising or sinking, and we noted areas where previous fillings have already been made. To complete the inspection, I took a depth measurement, 3 key spots, at the face of the wall, at the subgrade depression, and at the end point. Each measurement helped us understand how the seawall was performing over time. After reviewing all the data, it was clear the seawall was in good shape. There are a few areas that could benefit from minor maintenance, but overall, there are no major concerns, and the structure remains solid and functional.
I'm here today with Chad, the service manager from the dock experts. Chad, tell me a little bit, how did you get into the marine construction space?
A few years after college, I was working in office jobs. I was a store manager. I sold mortgages. And then I met a friend who pulled me out into marine construction. And I took the chance on it because I didn't really like being in an office all day. I wanted to be outside and find a way that I could bring a valuable career from that. So here I am today.
Here you are. And this is your office now, outside every day?
Every day.
Excellent. So for our viewers who are watching, can you tell them a little bit about how they might get into this field?
The best way to get into marine construction field or any construction job really is to find a reputable company or a company that's willing to give you as a young person a shot. And they've got people there that you can learn from, and hands-on experience is the best way to learn it.
One of the things is South Florida is a huge boating community. It's our lifestyle here. Why is it important for boat owners to have and own docks, lifts?
Keeps you from having to do a lot of maintenance on the boat. It's out of the water. You're not constantly cleaning it or maintaining things with the mechanical part of the boat. And the other part of it is too, when storms come, your boat's up out of the water, away from the storm surge and danger for the boat.
Today, we're going to be working on this lift behind us. Can you walk me through a little bit about what we're going to be doing today?
Yeah, so we usually just go over to make sure everything's nice and tight on the boat lift, nothing's come loose. It's a lot of moving parts, so that can happen. We're going to go over greasing everything because everything that does move on the boat lift has to be constantly lubricated, and just run it up and down to make sure there's no issues with the motors or any other functions of the boat lift.
Excellent. Sounds like we have a few things to do, so ready to get going?
Yeah, let's get at it.
Chad and I needed to lubricate the key points on the boat lift. Each part plays an important role, and without proper lubrication, the entire system can fail. First, we applied the grease gun to the bearings at the pivot points and rotating shafts. Next, we worked through every grease fitting on the mechanism. Each fitting feeds pins, bushings, and joints inside the lift. After the fittings, we treated the chains and pulleys with a marine-grade spray lubricant. Bearings can seize, fittings can wear down, and chains and pulleys can rust or lock up over time. Finally, I ran a full cycle test. I lowered the lift fully and then raised it back while watching and listening for any binding or unusual noise. With all maintenance complete, the lift operated smoothly.
We're your co-hosts for the video series where we explore real with an importance on coastal resilience and something else. Don't remember what that is.
Are you ready to get started?
Always. Why don't we go meet the experts? Wanna steal my line, Katie?
I was trying to.
Hi, I'm Captain Sandy, and you're watching Salty Jobs. And if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss an episode of the incredible jobs that keep the marine industry moving.